A healthy life that enables a bright future. Focused on the production of safe and innovative new drugs, generic APIs, and RSMs. A company that pursues customer satisfaction with the greatest quality. Yuhan Chemical. Noblesse oblige. Dr. Ilhan knew who became a symbol of our transparent and honest corporate management. Yuhan Chemical is a subsidiary of Yuhan Corporation that has continued Dr. Ilhan Nu's corporate philosophy of honesty, which considers safety and environment as the greatest corporate values. Yuhan Chemical strives to become a company managed with diligence and honesty and produces the greatest quality APIs. Yuhan Chemical, which began as a limited company of Yuhan Chemical Industries in July 1980, grew as the manufacturer of the best APIs based on continued growth. We are branching out from Korea into the world by producing APIs that have received global quality certification under an excellent CGMP quality management system. Yuhan Chemical, which operates the world's best production quality management system that adheres to the ICH Q7 guidelines, provides a full spectrum of services from initial clinical research to process development, analysis method development, clinical substance production, and commercial production, and produces antiviral, hyperlipidemia, hypertension, antibiotics, diabetes, and anti-cancer drug substance. Yuhan Chemical cooperates with a number of global pharmaceutical companies and is establishing high-quality APIs production processes through our accumulated process development capacity and is establishing optimization technologies of scale-up production processes by our professional labor force and the highest active pharmaceutical ingredients production technologies through exceptional process management from process research to stabilized commercial production. Yuhan Chemical provides analysis services optimized to the CGMP regulations based on our various experiences in professional technology. We provide quality testing services based on analysis method development and validation, analysis method technology transfer, stability testing based on ICH guidelines, standardization of products, and strict quality management system. We particularly maintain our data integrity with the construction and operation of a network computerized system, such as CDS, SDMS, ELN, LabX, etc., and promise the generation and management of accurate and highly reliable analysis results. Yuhan Chemical, which holds the country's largest API production capabilities and cutting-edge production equipment, has the ability of productions for various purposes and scales based on the client's demands, and provides continued research support. Yuhan Chemical holds production technologies and know-how based on specialized CGMP production equipment, such as ozone reaction and high-pressure hydrogen reaction facilities. Furthermore, we put our best to safeguard our worker safety and provide the highest quality products by constructing the most recent containment system and various pilot plant systems required for executing process optimization research. Yuhan Chemical applies various changing methods suited to the properties of the raw materials to increase efficiency and the safety of the worker with various reaction processes allowing precise parameter control, filtration and separation process using cutting-edge facilities, drawing process suitable for the properties of the final product, the packaging process in the clean room to prevent contamination of products, etc. Yuhan Chemical is an API producing company that holds the most recent production equipment. Pursuing the world's best CGMP through a quality system that adheres to the international standards, Yuhan Chemical is continually improving its GMP system by conducting successful testing by numerous domestic and international regulatory organizations and pharmaceutical companies. Yuhan Chemical is operated with a quality system that involves professional training and the latest equipment, and an IT system to achieve the highest level of CGMP. Yuhan Chemical continually maintains an ISO 14001 environmental management system as the goal of an eco-friendly management, and with the execution of SH&E as the basic principle. We have a system that can respond to dangerous situations by installing a firefighting modular system and operating the emergency response system for chemical accidents. With people as the focus that guides the company, Yuhan Chemical is supporting our employees to live a healthy and happy life through various ways. Yuhan Chemical will always provide the greatest results that suit our clients' demands as a global advanced pharmaceutical company that practices our founders' belief of returning the profit obtained by the company to the society.